Hello everybody. My name is Daniela Sousa, and I'm doing this live directly from Porto at the 2018 Symposium of Urban Sketchers. I'm gonna give you a small glimpse of this workshop where I'm at right now, which is with Pedro Loureiro. Okay, as you can see, people are apart while doing their first exercise. Okay, I'm not sure, sorry, this is not really okay. As you can see, I'm doing this live for Facebook. Okay. Of Urban Sketchers. Is this your first symposium?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry for this. And are you enjoying? Is your first?
Yes.
Okay. Is your first day here?
No, I was on Monday.
Okay.
So it's my first day.
And did you went to the sketchcrawls?
No, yesterday I went somewhere else.
Okay.
But I did a sketchbook on the first day for
Okay.
myself. But yeah, I'm doing your work today and I'm enjoying it.
Can I stop?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, as you can see, people are doing their first exercise. Hi. Hi. I'm doing this live straight for the Urban Sketchers Facebook page. Okay. Do you want to tell us your name?
I'm from Brazil, and I'm here with Pedro Loureiro and a group of people, and we're trying to find how to draw more things than only the surface of the things. We're trying to find the story, what we're feeling, and some ideas connected to what we see in the top.
Are you enjoying? Is your first symposium?
First symposium, and I love it.
Just let me okay. Scrape a bit. Thank you so much. Okay, and one more person. Hello.
Hello?
I'm doing this live for Facebook of the Urban Sketch pages. Is this your first symposium?
Yes, it is.
Wow, okay. And where are you from?
I'm French, but I live in the US.
Okay. And are you enjoying? Of course. Did you went to our sketchbook yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Yes? Okay. And did you enjoy it also? Afterwards? Okay, good. Can I just speak a little bit? So this is a good, thank you so much. So her sketch was really good example of what Pedro Loureiro asked. And okay. So I guess I'm getting the time out, and okay, I'm finishing this over here. I'm sorry, this is my first live ever in life, and okay, there will be another live streaming at 5 p.m. with Annabella. Oh, and she's also doing this live in a demo with Pedro Loureiro. So I guess you will see something like this. Thank you so much, and bye.